listen, oh, here is how you can avoid the 20% tax. So if you earn above 800,000 naira, you are to pay income tax on it. And it doesn't matter what you do, whether you organize a Uber driver or menial jobs, or as long as the money enter your account, you will pay 20% income tax and even more. So here are two things that you need to do to avoid paying such taxes, even though if you earn more than that. And they are all legal. One, why do you think people like Dangote and Co, they have a foundation? Because foundations are NGOs. NGO money are not taxable. So you can go and set up an NGO, just go to CAC, get a form, and register your NGO. And whatever money you want to spend, you can spend it through the NGO. And your income, you can pay your income into the NGO's account. NGO, they get motor. NGO, they get house. NGO, they get a lot of things. So you buy your things in the NGO's name. So at the end of the day, all the money will enter your NGO, they are not taxable. Nobody will tax you for that one. Free. You seal them up like that. That's why you see most big men, they get NGOs. Not because say they actually love you the way you think. The NGOs are for the purpose waiting you know, which I just mentioned to you now. That is one. Secondly, just go and register a company, because according to the corporate income tax law, there are three CIT rates, that is corporate income tax rates in Nigeria. So we have 30% for large companies with over 100 million turnover, 20% for medium companies with 25 million naira to 100 million turnover, and 0% for small companies with less than 25 million turnover. So even if you are earning below 25 million naira and you have a company and the money goes to your company account, you are not going to pay any tax, zero tax in Nigeria. Until you earn more than 25 million naira as a company, you will not pay tax. So what that means is that just go to CAC, register your own company, and be receiving your money through your company's account to show the people that, okay, you are not making up to the level that you are supposed to be taxed. To register a company in Nigeria is not very expensive. You spend less than 70 to 80,000 naira, you don't register your company. Better than you paying 300 to 400,000 naira as an income tax every year. Because no matter how you do, let's say you are an Uber driver, for example, you cannot earn 25 million naira in a year, except you are doing some other things. Then two, if you are a organizer, you cannot earn 25 million naira in a year. If you are selling pepper, if you are selling small grocery stores and all that, you cannot earn 25 million naira in a year. So these are the cheat codes that you can apply to avoid TINUBU's income tax law. Cheers. Peace.